Welcome to our tutorial about the InputBox function. An input box displays a dialog box with instructions. The box awaits the user's input and then returns a string containing the user's input. Let's check out how this works in my simple program here. We've got 4 variables declared as strings. Now we assign value to the message, title, and default value variables. The Enter Your Name message will display in the dialog box directing the user what to do. The input box string will be displayed in the title bar of the dialog box. The name Mick will be displayed in the dialog box as the default return. Next, we have the InputBox function, which contains 5 arguments. The first 3 we already know. The last 2 are numbers, 100 and 100. They define the X and Y positions of the box from the left and top corners of your screen. This is a value that's measured in pixels. Next, this value is assigned to the variable response, and it's subsequently passed to the text property of the label control LBL1. Let's run my application and see how it works. We click the button. Here's my dialog box. Input box. Enter your name. Mick appears as the default name. Click OK. Now in the input box, only the first argument is mandatory. Let's remove the last 4 arguments and run the program again to see what happens, how it looks. As you see, our text box is empty. Our application name displays in the title bar, and the input box appears in the middle of the screen. And this concludes our tutorial about the InputBox function.